In this video I'm demonstrating my remote door opening system. First, let's look where the power is coming from. The system needs only 5V via a single USB connection. It looks this way because it's non-destructive. Everything can be removed without damage. Someone sticked something into the door lock. This is my solution. It's connected to a Wi-Fi network. I developed the front end and back end. I have chosen a metal girl servo to get a longer service life. I have set up another Raspberry Pi as Wi-Fi extender at the window for connectivity. Thank you for watching and liking my video.